Alright guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. So today's video, we're gonna give you guys a cold start on my Z71 Silverado single cam, man. If you guys gonna enjoy this video, drop a like, subscribe, share this video with a friend. It's cold, bruh. It's literally 30 degrees, chat. We're gonna give you guys a cold start. Haven't started up in a minute, and I never really done a cold start. So drop a like, subscribe, man. If any company sponsor wants to work with me, my business email is down below in the description with my social media. Follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, or Brandon YT. Check out the Instagram stories and Instagram Reels chat. And drop a like, subscribe. We're uploading daily. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So drop a like, subscribe. Look. Whoo! First startup chat. Y'all heard that, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. So let me give you guys some updates on my truck. If you guys are new to this channel, this is my Z71. I don't know, my AC climate control right here looks like dirty, but it's not. Y'all see that mark right here? But in person, it doesn't look bad. It's just like, bro, the camera be capturing everything. So I'm gonna turn on the heater. This is a cold start, chat. Hold up. Sheesh. Look at that. My cluster, chat. It's cold, chat. It's cold. It's cold, chat. Oh yeah, look. If you guys missed the video, we added some, what is it? Cup holder coasters. That thing looks pretty sweet. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, man, it's my truck, chat. Let me know what y'all think, man. Something slight. I got stock muffler, exhaust. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, man, it's my truck, chat. Oh, let me show you guys the degrees. Y'all think I'm lying. It is 24 degrees, not bad. I'm surprised it started. No delay, no nothing. First crank. I'm surprised it cranked. I got my hammer right there to hit on the starter, because that's how cold it is, chat. I need to knock on my starter with the hammer if it gets too cold, if it doesn't want to like crank. Yo, a lot of people said it was my battery, guys. It is not my battery, chat. Trust me. I know what you guys mean, though. You guys are correct to always check your battery. But guys, I was not getting crank at all. People say like don't depend on your cluster, because if it shows you have high voltage before you start up with the battery, like it could be a mistake and you probably won't catch it. But trust me, guys, this battery is strong. If it was a battery issue, this truck lights will not be on, guys. Trust me. Like, trust me, chat. I've dealt with low dead batteries, chat, and I've had to get it replaced in the past. But I know when my truck is not as, I know when problems like the starter, the crank, has to do with not the battery. You know what I'm saying, chat? If it was the battery, it would not give me light. The lights would actually be dim. That's how like low the battery is. And I know it's cold, chat. Like, bro, look, it's 24 degrees, chat. There's barely much I could do, chat. Just wait till summer. I'm gonna give you guys the best content showcase every single day, bro. Just wait on it. But look, yes, so I got that handy by hammer, just in case you know, I gotta knock on my starter, just in case it doesn't want to crank. But yeah, man, that's what I gotta deal with, chat. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, this is my single cab, chat. Pretty sweet. I haven't started it up this week, like 2 days ago, so I want to make sure I get that nice crank, you know what I'm saying, chat? Nice cold. So I'm gonna show you guys the outside. Enough yapping, chat. Enough yapping. My stock wheels. Good thing there's no snow. I was like, don't let me jinx it. I was like, good thing there's no snow right now when it's snowing. Oh, my fog lights. Let me turn them on. Fog lights. Look at that. Ready? Boom. Look at that. Oh, them bright. Oh, that wind is cold, though. Holy, it's cold. No snow, but it's cold, bro. Look at that. It's bright. Oh, no, that's bright, bro. Oh, my days. That's bright. This is where the starter's at. This is where I give the starter a knock with my hammer. Right there. Enter. It's too cold, bro. Man, I know I gotta fix this, bro. Look at that rust bucket, man. Wet in my camera. Yo. So cold. Ooh, I like that. Shout out the sponsor for the tail lights. LED license plate working, surprise enough. Look at that, bright. The ones I had last year's, my license plate LEDs, bro, they would go dim with this cold, bro. In the winter. And even in the garage when it's garage kept. Until I got the last fit brand, these are the best. Sheesh. Look at that, no dim light, it's not cold enough, no dim, still bright LEDs, bro. Looks like they got fogged up inside though, y'all see that? GG's. My new tires looking good still, let me see. My new tires I got on this side, still looking good. Look at that. My boy thick. It's just cold, man. It's my interior, my rust bucket channel. It's just a daily, I don't even care. Pretty daily, pretty rust bucket daily. And the seats, black carpet, where y'all can't even see is dark. But yeah, man. It's that weather, man. Can't really do much. Look at that reflection. Not bad, chat. Reflection. Window so dark. Window so tinted. I got a reflection on my window, rear window. Yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Oh, my cargo lamp. Let me show you my cargo lamp. Look at that, chat. It's just cold, man. Oh, that's bright. My cargo lamp on my ass says doesn't work. Anybody know why? Let me know. Oh, that's bright. Oh, that's actually bright. Looks like the left side's out of place though. That's bright. It's too cold, chat. Go inside. Man, bro. Too cold, chat. Dude, shout out the heater, bro. Man. It's not even like cold. We've been in the ice, negative degrees in this truck making videos. It's only 24 degrees right now, but I guess I'm not used to it since it's been like weeks since it was like negative. But man, we're spring, summer, where you at, man? But let me know what y'all think, chat. If you guys are new to this channel, it's my daily truck. Trust me, chat, when it gets spring, summertime, videos are gonna get better. Give it a little rev, you feel me? But Yeah, man. What a year with the cold start, man, already. But let me know what y'all think, chat. Drop a like, subscribe. Ain't not much I could do, man. It's just cold. Still waiting on my steering wheel, but it should start shipping next week, chat. On Tuesday. If everything goes well. Yo, oh no, we good. If everything goes well Tuesday, it should ship. So, I mean, I don't really care about the wait time. As long as it ships this week, though, for sure. But like I said, regardless, I don't even know if I'm gonna install it yet, dude. How cold it is outside, bro. It's just I'm not gonna be used to it, dude. And like, what's the point, bro? I'm not, you know, it's still winter basically, dude. But I'll make videos about it, you know, like keep it in my. I wanna have to keep it in, but like show it, do like a mock-up, show you guys what it looks like in front of this steering wheel. I wish they came with heated steering wheels, chat. That would be insane. You know how they come with heated seats? My says. Yeah, hear that? But yeah, alright, chat, drop a like, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. I need a thumbnail. But yeah, appreciate the love. Look at that, it's 12 a.m. chat. Grind knows that, bro. This radio's so nice. This is the Alpine ILX W650, chat. Go get y'all one if y'all want one. But yeah, let me get a thumbnail. It's cold. Yeah, I want like a unique thumbnail. Ooh. Bro, them lights are bright, bro. Look at that. Oh my days. Those lights are bright. Dude, it's too dark. Look at this, chat. Grind don't stop. Not too cold enough for me. I'm used to this, bro. You get used to this weather, for real. It wakes you up. Bro, I'm gonna do a front end thumbnail. It's so bright though. Alright, chat, drop a like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Appreciate the love. Grind don't stop. Uploading daily. Drop a like, subscribe. GG's.